finds me in the kitchen, hands on the counter listening. The fridge hums like a lonely choir, holding notes I can't hold anymore.
The quiet wraps around me like it knows what I lost. Refrigerator humming E minor, singing what I can't admit. Every chord from the quiet night knows exactly where you fit.
A single bow paints my shadow thin, stretching across cold linoleum. Your voice lingers in the corner, just out of reach, am a valet.
The stillness starts confessing, and I listen like it's gospel. Refrigerator humming E minor keeps replaying your refrain. In the hum I hear your heartbeat, in the silence only the pain.
If I unplug the moment,
Would the memories go dark too?
or would they buzz a little louder?
Trying to stay alive like you. Refrigerator humming E minor, holding secrets in